Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I've been gone for a while. It feels weird to be filming right now, but I know my my mic is messed up on my phone. That's kind of why I've been distant lately, because I already know I need to get a mic. But I'm trying to stay still so you guys can hear me. But I'm bored and it's quarantine time and I've just been so bored and so different lately. So I'm going to make brownies. I got brownie mix like before quarantine happened, so might as well.
My heart went oops. Yeah. My heart just got stuck between these loops.
So I might as well do some TikToks while it's baking because I'm bored. So I went to pick up my sister with my mom, but I made brownies and I ate like 3 of them already. Yeah, they came out freaking good. I will show you the picture, but now it looks horrible, so I'm not even gonna show you. Okay, so it's like 2 days later. I didn't feel like finishing the video. I just made brownies, and then after that there was literally nothing to do. So it's like 2 days later, and now I'm gonna do this clay mask. I will put a better picture, but I will do a whole review, a separate review on that. I don't know, ew. Especially I got these things from Amazon, because if you would use a regular brush, it would just soak it all up. Oh, it stinks. Oh my god. My face feels like it's gonna freaking fall off. I can't even move it. Oh my god. It's burning. So I went to Taco Bell and got like a chicken quesadilla. I got I don't know, being fat, and a pink lemonade. So that's pretty much just. I went to go pick up my sister with my dad from her job because there's nothing to do around here. Anyways, I think I'm gonna paint something because my sister got me these canvases. And I think I'm gonna find something to paint, but that takes me forever because I don't know what to paint. I don't know. It's 12 a.m. I think. I don't know. Good morning, guys, but I'm not really gonna show myself because I look ugly. But my sister woke me up at 8 in the morning and she got me coffee and she got me McDonald's. So praise her. I can't really finish this coffee, but thanks for that. And then remember last night, I couldn't find something to paint. It's gonna paint coffee, like a coffee thing. It's gonna look cute in my head. I have an idea. So if the idea comes out great, I'll be back. Hey guys, so I left off with me painting this painting I had, but I never showed you guys and I never finished the vlog. So this is how it turned out.
Oh, which one is that? Oh,
and also, Caitlin is here now. She's been here since
Girl, I've been here too long.
Easter. Also raining, so it's hella dark. That's why the camera is.
It's not raining yet. It's just thundering.
Well, it's gonna pour. But yeah, we got subs, and then I got like Pizza Hut cinnamon sticks, and that's it. I also got chips and stuff, but like, yeah. She got fruit, and then a sub, and then I don't know what else she got, but like, I usually get full off of just this, and I had pizza, so I'm probably not even gonna finish this whole thing. Let's be honest.
I got a Publix sub, a pub sub. It's just a Publix Cuban sandwich, so with chicken tenders or chicken strips. I don't know. It's chicken. So yeah.
Let's talk about Easter night.
Girl, Easter night. Ooh. So let's talk about Easter night. Do you even want to remember what happened Easter night? Or?
So basically, we played Drunk Uno. And she wouldn't take no shots.
I don't drink, like y'all know this.
And I took literally all the shots. I was playing by the game. I was
Girl,
the only
you
one.
Was not playing.
I was literally the only one playing by the game. It said 2 shots. They took 1. I took 2.
Yeah, girl, because you're fucking drunk, bro.
Because I play by the rules.
No, girl, you're a fucking alcoholic.
No.
Yeah.
I don't drink every day.
Okay, you don't drink like every day.
The last time I got drunk like that was my sister's birthday.
Yeah, but girl, you was like all over that shit though. I was like, girl, is you good or is you good?
Oh my fucking god. You're so good.
I should have got white bread.
What'd you get?
I got Cuban bread. I don't know, it don't hit the same. I gotta tell you something. Like when we're done, I was
You can
like,
go now. I'll cut
I
it
can't.
out.
I can't. It's not for the kids.
I can cut it out.
Okay. So you remember? So I know you're gonna cut all that out. So what do you want to talk about?
Right. Busted. Guys, I'm gonna take a fat nap after this. No lie.
Your ass is always sleep.
But now it's raining. It's gonna be extra nice.
Facts. Now I gotta join. Like I gotta fucking join.
I didn't even sleep last night.
Yeah,
I
no, you
edited
was
the
like
video.
uploading the other video. I expected these chicken strips to be like really good. They're like not that good.
Alright guys, bye.